Hello and welcome to Airbedrepair.com. We're having a rainy day here. Obviously I'm having a bad hair day. My name's Brandon, I'm the AIRPRO. I wanted to take a couple moments to go over the top things you can do to repair your Sleep Number bed. Obviously I do not sell Sleep Number brand products and I'm in no way affiliated with the Sleep Number Corporation. But I am here from Airbedrepair.com to help you understand air leaks and how to fix them easily with my patented air leak repair kit. This is going to give you the things that you need to do the most common repairs, but it will help if you do a little investigating prior to purchasing the repair kit to make sure you get the right parts. So let's start off by explaining the differences. We've got a small hose air leak repair kit and a large hose air leak repair kit. Now that's because there's two different things that can go wrong. The head of the fitting can break off where the O-ring sits. And once that head of the fitting breaks off, most commonly, it'll seize up inside your plastic female pump hose fitting. So if you try to put another O-ring on, it just will not work. So what we do is we stretch the bare end of the hose of the M236 large hose over the port. You can use a little brown Gorilla Glue if you like, not necessary. This one is actually a pressure bond, so when you stretch it, the hose is going to bond and seal. If the other situation happens where the fitting comes out of the chamber, right? If you try to glue this fitting back in, it won't stay. It's going to be pulled because of the hard plastic. So I invented the M236 small hose. The OD, the outer diameter of the hose, is perfect for sliding in the hole and applying brown Gorilla Glue around to form a new seal. This will prevent it from wiggling out of the chamber and stop the air leaks at the connection. So these are your first two, the most common. You could get a pinhole leak in the air chamber, and I've come up with a two-step kit because many consumers would tell me, I put one on and there's still a little leaking going on. So I came up with a way to do a two-step. You use a dot of the Gorilla Glue, you get it on the back of the small patch and you put it on. And as time goes on, you're gonna see the foam start to expand and it'll come around the edge. And what you wanna do is kind of rub it in a circular motion with your finger and then put the second patch right over the top. And what you're gonna find is the glue that comes around the edge is gonna come right up in, and you'll have what's called a two-step patch. And that's gonna ensure that the one leak is stopped. The reason for this is the inside of the air chambers have a latex core. There's actually a canvas bonded to the outside, and there's a stretchable latex core. Now that's what gives you the flexibility. But what you need to do in order to seal this, because it's imperative that it be airtight. And what's more important than that is if you don't do the seal right, that air is just going to continue to work its way out. So once you've addressed one leak and you pump it up, at that point you'll cap it off to test it. And you'll want to go through the process of, if there's still air leaking, look for another hole in the chamber, right? If at the time you've eliminated the pump of being the problem, right? We have pumps for sale. Obviously they're a direct connection to a Sleep Number system. They'll connect right to it with a similar F236 fitting. But if that leak is in the chamber and you seal one spot, you're going to want to address the issue that maybe there's another leak in there. So you really want to test the chamber and get it good and airtight. My suggestion is to lightly spray it with a Clorox kitchen-based bleach cleaner. And you can get that at any hardware store along with the giant Gorilla Glue, because you're going to find this is your best friend. The original brown stuff, don't get anything fast-acting, don't get any of the clear stuff. Don't get any of the promotional items they're selling, because this is the only one you need. It's good. It's the best one, and when you put it on there, if the moisture in the air is going to activate it, it's going to start to foam. And that foam, you're going to flatten out the air bubbles, and it's going to be the hardest bond you can make. It really is the best glue on the market. Going a little bit further, once you've done all your troubleshooting and hopefully you put the bed together, make sure that the air chamber is completely dry and that you air it out. Don't put it in the sun's going to beat it up. But have it somewhere where you can work on it, right? Fill it full of air, get the testing properly done and get it repaired and put it inside your bed. I hope these tips have helped you. I'd like for you to visit my website, Airbedrepair.com. I'm Brandon the AIRPRO. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, any other social media. Look for our links and reels. Be sure to like and share. It means a lot to my small business and my employees, the people here that rely on us. We want your business and we want to earn it. And when you go to the mall and you see the high prices, don't think that we're all the same. We sell wholesale online. We vacuum down the products and drop ship them to your door. We can do a Skype call, get it on the phone and turn the video camera on, and we can walk you through your repair while you're doing it. Call us and schedule a time. My phone number is 314-599-2777. And I'm happy to talk. I may not have good looking hair, but I'll tell you, I'm here to help. And I want to share my knowledge with you. My 20 plus years experience in the bedding industry. I know everything. I know everything about every one of the beds on the market. If you're thinking about buying a new bed, give me the opportunity to earn your business. I manufacture beds. We can build foam beds, air beds, adjustable beds, and that's about it. We don't use coil spring, we don't use gel, but we use high quality products to build a sleep surface that I believe you're gonna love. Give us a shot. Again, it's Brandon, the AIRPRO, Airbed Repairman. My phone number is 314-599-2777. Make it a great day.